Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my spinning snowflake, Frosty. Yes, I've already made a video on him, but that was before repairs video. Since then I fixed it. In that video the hat arm did not work, but since then I have replaced it. And I'll be showing you both modes. I'll be showing you demo mode and the full version. But one thing that is new that I've added, that I've done on multiple spinners, I've added a zipper. I can't get it with one hand because I'm recording, but so then I can unzip it if I need to repair him again. But he looks very good right now. And anyways, here is the demo mode. Let's flip him over. Turn on that mode. Here we go. Here's the full version. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.